Like, where are our friends? We finally said, screw this, we're going the other way. Did you ask somebody? Yeah.
For that, I want to start by acknowledging all the very, very difficult work along the way. I want to individually introduce each member of our primary team. We've got others with us. Some retired members are still with us. They're back working here. But I'd like to introduce Austin Barker, locomotive engineer and fireman. The greatest machinist and welder. Loves tinkering with the engine. John Stravino, one of our lead Boilermakers, another outstanding welder, a great fabricator. Kurt Clark, engineer fireman, another outstanding fabricator. Among the many duties, he keeps our Caterpillar generator running.
Yeah.
So he literally does keep the lights on. Newest member of our team, Cole Lewis. Machinist, great all-around craftsman, does great work. We're teaching him the ropes, getting him started on a long apprenticeship toward the work that we do. And certainly last but not least, Jimmy Thompson, another lead Boilermaker. We told him he didn't need to wear his hard hat, but at least he took his face shield off. And Jimmy, he's always going to work, and like everybody on this locomotive, it's hard work. Notice I'm not smiling, and it's only because it's very serious work. It's really tough work, and we appreciate all the accolades and the well wishes that we get, and we thank you very much. This is a wonderful honor, a life's honor for us to do this. We restored this locomotive with the support of this great railroad, Union Pacific. Several of us here were part of the effort when we went to get the locomotive in California, and prior to that we've worked tirelessly on the 844, so we get to do some really exciting, fun things. But operating the locomotive across the country, this big, beautiful 1940 machine, we have seen millions, literally millions of people. We don't really count, we don't have an official count, but I can tell you there is very few miles, maybe across Nevada and Utah, where maybe there wasn't people. But other than that, for those that witnessed Philadelphia coming in, there were thousands upon thousands of people lined on buildings, on bridges, on parks, everywhere, to see this spectacular journey. And that's a tribute to the wonderful work that is done by these fine men here. In addition to the team here, we've got the team in the cab. We've got Ted, Bruce, Bob Smetana, Bruce and Brent Malota. They're with us, they're working alongside us, they're working tirelessly with us, maintaining the locomotive, lubricating, servicing, adjusting, fixing, tweaking, whatever needs to happen, we all work together to make it happen. And the UP, think about this for a minute, it's 2026, we're celebrating our nation's 250th birthday, July 4th in Philadelphia. Thank you, Union Pacific. Out in the crowd, working behind the scenes tirelessly are our colleagues on both the Norfolk Southern and Union Pacific. They've been here setting up the site. You can see some of them driving around in golf carts. They're attending to you. They're attending to all of us, helping us. We've got medics here coordinated with our police force along with the Norfolk Southern Police. To pull this off is a massive team endeavor. We've got mechanical riders that are working with us, NS Chris Bailey, Tracy Murray, and Craig, I can never pronounce it, Kustawa. He's gone now, he went home. We have Curtis Woolers with us. So they get this.